Hey guys, Mr. Zern here. Let's talk today about the program that you're going to be creating in Python. All right, a couple of things. One, it's going to generate a random number. All right. Number two, using an incremental counter, make a user perform a task the number of times specified by that random integer. Number three, prevent the user from entering invalid entries. Four, create custom responses depending on what the user has to do or inputs. And as always, use hashtags to describe what you are doing in the code and appropriate spacing between questions, inputs, breaks, etc., to make it easy to use and read. All right, so let's take a look here at my sample of the finished program. So let's run this. All right, so what we don't know is, actually we do know, sorry. Oh boy, you have to run 6 laps. Good luck. So it's generated a random number, and if I hit stop and play again, we're going to see it's a different number. You have to run 2 laps. You can see this time it says that's easy. So, behind the scenes, I basically have kind of a greater than or a less than statement. So if it's over a certain number, do this or say this. If it's under, over, etc., it'll do those different things. We'll run it again. We'll see if we get yet a different number, 3. We'll do it one more time. Let's try to get a larger number. Okay, there we go, 6. Okay, so should I run a lap? And so if I say yes, okay, I just ran a lap. I have gone around the track 1 time. So the incremental counter is keeping track of that in the background. It knows that I did it once. Should I run a lap? And I'm going to say no this time. And it says, you can't say no, go run a lap. 3 minutes later. Okay, I just ran a lap. I have gone around the track 2 times. The incremental counter, again, is keeping track of that. Should I run a lap? And I'm going to say, okay. And you're going to see here, it says, simple question. Should I take another lap, yes or no? So it's preventing me from entering anything but yes or no. I'm going to say yes. It says, okay, I just ran a lap. I have gone around the track 3 times. Should I run a lap? Yes. Okay, and there it says track 4 times. I'll say yes again. And there we are, 5. I'm going to say, should I run a lap? I'm going to say nope. Again, we can see that it's preventing me with the invalid entries. I'm going to say no. I don't feel like running any more laps. And it says, you can't say no. Go run your lap. 4 minutes later. Okay, I just ran a lap. I have gone around the track 6 times, out of breath. I just ran a total of 6 laps. All right, so it generated that random number, which is how many laps I have to run. And then again, depending on what that random number is, it kind of gives you a different response, like, oh, that's easy or that's hard. Again, you could do a variety of things. Every time I run a lap, basically by saying, hey, should I do this thing, yes or no, it adds that incremental counter, and so it's keeping track. And then once it gets to that random number that the program generated for me, it stops doing that. Now, my random number generator, I just had to go from 1 to 9 just to make things simple. Obviously, you could choose a larger or different number there, but I didn't want to have to type something in like 1,000 times. All right, so there's a sample of what your program could look like. Can't wait to see yours. Be sure to share your link to the finished program with me. All right, I will talk to you guys later.